Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you know how essential it is to move your assets seamlessly. Today, we're tackling a super practical guide: how to send USDT from Metamask to crypto.com. Whether you're a beginner looking to consolidate your holdings or an experienced trader optimizing your portfolio, this step-by-step walkthrough will make it easy and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Metamask wallet installed on your browser or mobile app, with some USDT already in it. Also, log into your crypto.com account and head to the deposit section for USDT. This is crucial because you'll need the exact wallet address to avoid any mix-ups. Step 1. Open your Metamask app and ensure you're on the correct network. USDT is typically on the Ethereum network, so double-check that it's selected. If it's not, switch it quickly to avoid transaction errors. Step 2. In your crypto.com account, go to the wallet section, select USDT, and copy the deposit address. Remember, crypto addresses are case sensitive, so don't miss a single character. Step 3. Back in Metamask, click on the USDT token in your assets list. Hit the Send button. Paste the crypto.com address into the recipient field, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Always double-check the address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Step 4. Review the transaction details, including fees. In 2025, with improved blockchain tech, fees might be lower, but keep an eye on them. Once you're good, confirm the transaction. It'll take a few minutes to process. Finally, hop back to crypto.com and refresh your wallet to see your USDT arrive. And there you go. You've successfully transferred your assets. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space. See you next time.